luxury, power, and sophistication, the 2025 Genesis G90 is here to challenge the big players in the luxury sedan game. But does it have what it takes to truly dominate? Let's dive in and find out. Exterior. When you first set eyes on the 2025 Genesis G90, one thing is clear: it's a statement piece. The bold Crest Grille combined with Genesis' signature two-line LED lighting exudes elegance. This isn't just a car, it's rolling artwork. From the long hood to the sloping rear, every inch screams refinement. And those 20-inch alloy wheels? Pure class. The aerodynamic design isn't just for show. It enhances efficiency while reducing road noise for a whisper-quiet cabin experience. Interior. Step inside, and you'll feel like you're in a first-class lounge. From the Nappa leather seats to the open-pore wood trim, every detail has been meticulously crafted. Now, let's talk tech. The 2025 G90 boasts a 14.5-inch infotainment display paired with an intuitive Genesis connected services suite. The Bang Olufsen sound system is nothing short of breathtaking, and the ambient lighting, fully customizable to match your vibe. And for the backseat passengers, massage seats, individual climate controls, and even a pop-up touchscreen. This is a luxury sedan built for the driver and the chauffeur. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 G90 offers two powertrains: a smooth and responsive 3.5L twin-turbo V6, delivering 375 horsepower, and an electrified option with an e-supercharger pushing it up to 409 horsepower. And thanks to the adaptive air suspension, the G90 glides over bumps while delivering impeccable handling. Whether you're cruising or carving through tight turns, this sedan offers a perfect blend of comfort and agility. Luxury like this doesn't come cheap. The 2025 Genesis G90 starts at around $89,000, with a fully loaded model pushing past $100K. But when you compare it to competitors like the Mercedes-Benz S-Class or BMW 7 Series, you're getting similar features, if not more, for a fraction of the price. The Genesis G90 isn't just a luxury sedan, it's a bold statement that Korean luxury is here to stay. So what do you think? Is this the new king of luxury sedans? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews and deep dives into the hottest cars on the market. This is Trendz TV. See you in the next one.